far as the heartbreak that is now concerned, that millions of Indians that have been affected is because Vinesh Fogart, who has been disqualified, and rooting for her, coming out in her support is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's put up a post coming out in support of Vinesh Fogart, where he is rooting for our champion, saying she's already a champion amongst champions. And of course, the setback that has hurt each and every one, the fans that today we were eagerly waiting for the final bout, because Vinesh had secured a silver for India at least, and she was fighting for gold and coming so close when it comes to winning a medal. It was snatched. And here is as far as the developments in the last an hour or that has now come across when it comes to Vinesh Fogart being so close of winning a gold. She was disqualified. And from the bout today that she was to play, as she was found around approximately 100 grams overweight. And during the weigh-in ahead of the women's 50 kg in final, the Paris final that would be taking place. But there is no medal now coming in the way for Vinesh Fogart. This is absolutely disappointing in the way as far as this news that has been coming in. It's devastating. We have Arunil with us. We have Karishma with us. She's joining us from Paris. Karishma, this is something that we couldn't believe still in the newsrooms when this news came in of Vinesh Fogart being disqualified. We thought that it cannot be true. Exactly what may have happened that may have led to a disqualification, because the rules are very, very strict there.
Well, Amita, what we are breaking right now is PM spoke to the IOA President PT Usha and sought first-hand information from PT Usha on the issue. The options India has in the wake of Vinesh's setback. He asked her to explore the full range of options to help Vinesh's case. He also urged PT Usha to file a strong protest regarding her disqualification if that helps Vinesh. So this is what the PM has done. He has tweeted in support of Vinesh Fogart. He's also spoken to the IOA President PT Usha and told her to file a strong protest, do whatever it takes. If there's any way we can help Vinesh Fogart, we can help her fight her final bout, because remember, she's just 100 grams overweight. That is what we have been given to understand. So now the PM also stepping into action to try and help Vinesh, because this is a setback that is not being easily acceptable to anyone.
India actually lodge a protest, and can Vinesh actually play the final bout? I mean, what are the possibilities that we are looking at, Karishma?
Well, Amita, if we were to go by the rules of the UWW, then Vinesh cannot play the final bout. She will not even get a silver medal. She will, in fact, be ranked last in the UWW rankings, and she will not be eligible for any medal, and there will be no silver medal that will be given out, only gold and silver. There can be no appeal, no protest to this decision is what we're given to understand as far as the UWW rules go. And the IOA also obviously making an official statement after weighing in all the options, after seeing whether there can be any legal route that they can take, whether they can file an appeal, whether they can protest this. But for what I know from my sources is that there can be no appeal to this. So we'll have to really wait and see if there's anything that the IOA can do now that the PM has also stepped in.